What's good? We are back and we got a special delivery today, which is gonna lead me to the next video on the garage update. So as you can see in the last video, picked the flags up. It's looking good, feeling good. So now we gotta figure out. So I've been trying to plan out my car detailing solution, if you will, to kind of maximize the space on the floor in the garage, kind of keep everything off the floor. So I'm still organizing and unpacking and whatnot, but some goods have come in, and I think it's gonna help with that. I want to bring you guys along, of course, and let you guys know what I think and do some unboxing and all that stuff. So let's get to it. All right, so we got two boxes here from the guy JCI Clean, and this is also JCI. So what is it? It is a pressure washing wall mount solution. There are a lot of different options on the market, whether it's Obsessed Garage or Clean Garage. The Clean Garage, they have a wall mount solution, but doing further research, this one I thought was honestly better in a sense. Of course, no shade to the guys over at Obsessed Garage and the guys over at the Clean Garage or Obsessed Studios, or whatever they're called, I forgot. But I thought this one just looked better. It looked more cleaner. It encompassed, it just made everything in like a tight package. That's what she said. So yeah, let's go ahead and open this up. And I did upgrade so my original idea was I was just gonna keep my standard pressure washer, which I have the active, I got it right here actually, version 1. So, but I went ahead and upgraded to the Action version 2. That's what I have here. So, okay, so I'm opening up the box, and this is the wall mount plate here. So very sturdy metal. Here is active 2.0. So that's gonna look good. Let's see what else is in here. Got a spray gun. So that's good. So I can chuck my new one or sell it. Got some quick connects and some mounting bolts. Another washer nozzle here. This is the mat that goes on top of the shelf to kind of keep it from sliding. So that's cool. Let's see here. And we got a wand. So that's one box. Here, 75-foot hose. There. Very well packaged as well. Hose rail. Here. This is the, it's kind of bent, but all good, I can bend it back. So this is the foam cannon holster, or bracket. So that's there. The actual mounting shelf here. So as you can see, you can use these quick connects to just kind of mount your different attachments and kind of keep everything in one place. That's pretty cool there. The hose, leader hose, that's what that was. Okay. Yep, so that's pretty much it. Now I gotta get this thing mounted to the wall. It doesn't come with the instructions, but there's a video online where they pretty much did everything. So I'm gonna watch that real quick just to refresh and then get back to showing you guys what's up. So far so good. Everything is very heavy duty. Everything is super strong, durable, looks sturdy, looks clean. It's dirty from the cardboard stuff, but other than that, looks very good. I'm excited to get this thing going. So let's go and get this show on the road. I'll show you guys. All right, so this is my open space here. I don't have a water hose outlet or outlet inside of the garage, but my water hose is just on the other side of this wall, so I'm just gonna wrap it around whenever I use it. But yeah, essentially gonna mount it around this area, and it'd be pretty easy to get to and pretty solid. So right now I have my hose is kind of, there, and it's a pain when you gotta take it out, unkink it, do all that stuff. So this should kind of make things a lot cleaner, smoother. I got my blower, and then I got my vacuum thing there. So all in all, I think it's gonna definitely clean things up a bit and just make it just an easier system to use, because I like to wash my cars. So I want to, be able to just come in and just get started. So let me get prepared, and we'll get the show on the road. All right, so this is pretty much everything you need. There's a video online that shows details on how to install this. It was a drywall install, so he used, he had to find studs and all of that, but I have a concrete wall install. So mine will be slightly different because I have to use a concrete masonry bit to get a hole in there. And then I'm going to use, let's see if I can use these, or they come with these bolts, these carrier bolts here, or these screws. So if I can use these because they're flat, I will. And try to get that to mount in there properly. But pretty much essentially what you do is, let me put this camera down, and you will take, so I think I'm gonna have it about maybe right here. So this is where the hose reel will go, the pressure washer will go above it. So I'm trying to do this in a way that's a little bit more good height, here or here. I'll do it here. This feels good. So essentially I gotta mark holes here, drill, that goes above it. So I'm gonna take my, all right, so that's mocked up. All right, so I had to use the concrete bolts, these blue bolts, blue screws, specifically made for drilling into concrete so they won't snap inside of the thing. So as you can see, it's centered, right? Then you take the plate off, plates here, put these back bolts on there, and that's what you're gonna use to mount the reel. Pretty straightforward. these holes look a little bit bigger. So I might have to get a washer for that one. So yeah, I'll probably end up doing that. All right, so that's mounted. Looks good. So I had to use, if you can see, there's a washer in there because these bolts, the head it just went straight through. So I had to use some washers and yeah, securely mounted. So now take this here mat, you can stick that on there, take the adhesive off and get that on there, and then start getting everything rolled up and all that fun stuff. All right, so now I'm getting the hose threaded on here, so I just put some Loctite on the end, 7/8 wrench, and just all right, so I kind of locked in and ended up doing everything real quick, but I can walk you guys through it. It's pretty simple, but so you can see the final product. Here it is. Boom. All right, so this is the shelf. This is why I chose this shelf here, because it has these little things where you can mount attachments. So I got my wand, I got this one. There's one here that's already attached to the gun. I used the active, the ones that I normally use the most, so the 40 degree angle and the 25 degree angle. And I got those mounted there. Elbow here, so it's just really smooth. Go straight into here, real tucked away. So I got the power cable. I'm just gonna run that down here. I got an outlet that's over there. I don't need this anymore. This here, they come with hose, quick connects, quick disconnects. So, I can just pop that off the hose, and yeah, I mean, it is pretty solid. Dude got it mounted pretty high, but I kind of like it a little elevated, not too low to the ground. I'd rather reach over than bend down. So yeah, it's a great system. Made in USA. Cool. I mean, sturdy, solid. We're not cheap metal. This stuff, it was heavy. Came in 2 boxes. So shout out to the guys at GCI Clean. They're a lawn and turf company, but they came up with this solution, and I think they did right by the people. So again, I mean, everything is just tucked away. It's just awesome. I don't gotta worry about this type of stuff. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. I'll put a link down in the description so you can get it. They were the only site that did the military first responder GovX ID thing, so I got a little bit of money off, which was great, but overall the price was pretty solid. And if you already have this, you can just get this set up without the pressure washer, and you know, it's a few $100 cheaper. So all in all, very excited, very happy with this. Thanks again. Hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments and I'll be more than happy to help out. So catch you guys on the next one. Peace.